test run of the Campbell Hausfeld compressor. New pressure switch replacement, new check valve replacement, new gauges, and new regulator. Pressure test later on, make sure the check valve's in there. But pretty much fixes the air compressor with the issue of filling up and then you're draining everything out through the pressure switch. So when this shuts off now, once it hits 135, it just shuts off and you hear a little quick hiss. That was the problem and it's been fixed. If it continues to hiss out the air regulator, then we know the problem still is there and it's something else, which I know it's not. I'm 99.9% positive this is going to shut off and hold air and not going to bleed anything out. There we go. It's fixed. Into 135. Let off. Hold in air pressure. So I got this compressor as well as this one. It's a 5-gallon combination of the 4-gallon tanks, and there's a 1-gallon upstairs. Same thing's wrong with that. The check valve is doing the same thing, where it's dumping air through the pressure switch. I'm going to switch that out as well. I already got that part ordered as well, and I'll pretty much have fixed both of these for pretty much close to nothing. So, but that's how you fix an air compressor with a leaky check valve. If it's leaked out through this box here, underneath here, it's not this box, do not go ahead and replace it. You're going to waste your time and your money. Go ahead and just put a new pressure switch in it, or a new check valve, which is that thing right under there. So that concludes it. And thank you everyone for watching. Appreciate the views. Almost to 1,000. Let's go.